What if I told you that I wanted you to stop chasing the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early, and instead ask you to chase or follow or believe in FINE, F-I-N-E. What is the difference? Well, FINE, first off, stands for financial independence, no excuses. This is something that I am really starting to see happen in the world, the universe, if you will. Put out a lot of content in the last 3 days or so around retiring early. Got a lot of amazing feedback, got some neutral feedback, but also got some feedback from folks that, for whatever reason, don't believe it's possible. And if you know anything about my channel, One Rental at a Time, we are all about understanding it is possible. We have talked to folks on this channel who started with a negative $250,000 in net worth, responsible for raising 3 kids, making 17 bucks an hour. We talked to individuals who were ninth grade dropouts. We talked to folks who grew up in Section 8 housing. We talked to people who lost everything in a stock market crash. We talk to folks all the time who prove it is possible. So when I think about the financial independence retire early, aka the FIRE movement, it is a movement that really leans into scarcity, really leads into kind of the minimum, right? And that's not what I want for you. But also with the FINE movement, financial independence, no excuses, I just need you to believe it's possible. I think there are a few things in life that are hard to disprove. One of them is if you own cash flowing assets for a decade, your chances of getting rich are pretty certain. See, getting wealthy, getting rich, retiring early, having financial independence, it is possible, but it's not easy. It takes time. It takes sacrifice. It takes consistency. It tries to trip you up. Lots of things on your 10-year journey will try to trick you up. You'll say things like, I deserve, or this, or that. I think it takes belief to get started. When you go down the financial independence, no excuses track, it's scary. It's dark. It's lonely. There's no one there. When I think about what One Rental at a Time is and all of our amazing millionaires that come back, we are trying to be that light to show you it's possible. Nobody on my channel says it's easy, but everybody on my channel says it's possible. The other thing that I hope is very clear is we are painfully upfront that the first 5 years of your journey will suck. You will make mistakes. Things will trip you up. It will try to kick you out. Your friends will talk down. There will be crazy things said about you. But again, it is possible. I do not like the FIRE movement because A, it really kind of preaches scarcity, and B, frankly, the FIRE movement attacks real estate folks. I don't know why, but you do. But when I think about the FINE movement, which I want to give complete credit to Dion talked for bringing up. He actually texted us this morning. He wants to talk about financial independence, no excuses. I want you to really understand the last part, no excuses. Yes, I understand it's hard today. Yes, I understand you have a lot of pre-made excuses. I get it. I get it. I thought the same thing when I was 20, when I was 30. I just have the evidence. I have the proof that it will work. Yes, today is hard. But you know what? When I graduated college, I had student debt. How did I choose to pay off the student debt? I worked 7 days a week at 2 different jobs for almost 3.5 years. Today, I wouldn't do that. I would pick up this device and start a YouTube channel or start building a brand about my passion. This device right here helped me make $200,000 on YouTube. a phone and a microphone, like a little wired microphone. All it takes is focus and daily discipline. You can do amazing things. It takes time. It is slow. It's not fun, but it is possible. I want you to believe that the FINE movement, financial independence, no excuses, is where we're going. We don't tolerate excuses. Everybody has them. Think about the millionaires on this channel and all the different places they've come from. The other thing is it's really easy to lean into excuses. If you have them, fine. I'm just not going to listen to them. I just, if you don't think you can, you're right. You can't. If you don't think you can, you're right. You're right. I will not waste a second of my life telling you you can. If you don't believe it in yourself, why should I believe it for you? But if you have an inkling, if you think it's possible, if you want to get on the journey, come join the three amigos, the four Avengers, the 15 millionaires that come back on this channel. We are all trying to prove it is possible. The FINE movement is real. Dion has created it. We are all going to be pushing it. Financial independence, no excuses. Get on board. Let's go. Let's go. Later.